Welcome to our review video highlighting the top 10 best workout gadgets for your home gym. Whether you're looking to tone your abs, build strength, or improve your overall fitness, we've got you covered with these innovative products. Let's delve into each one, providing you with a brief overview along with their pros and cons. Number 1. WonderCore Smart Sit-Up Exercise Equipment. WonderCore Smart Sit-Up Exercise Equipment is designed to target your core muscles. With its versatile functionalities, this compact and user-friendly device allows for various abdominal exercises, making it ideal for home workouts. However, some users may find it less suitable for advanced training routines. Pros: compact and space-saving design, versatile for targeting core muscles, user-friendly interface. Cons: limited intensity for advanced users. Number 2. Home Gym Multifunctional Full-Body Home Gym Equipment. Offers a comprehensive solution for your home workout needs. With its versatile functionalities, you can engage in full-body exercises to strengthen and tone various muscle groups. However, it may require ample space and assembly time. Pros: comprehensive full-body workout, versatile functionalities, suitable for strength training and cardio exercises. Cons: requires significant space, assembly may be time-consuming. Number 3. Grexamen Abs Stimulator Workout Equipment. Provides a convenient way to engage your abdominal muscles with its USB rechargeable gear. Its versatility allows for targeting different muscle groups, but some users may prefer traditional exercises for greater intensity. Pros: convenient USB rechargeable design, versatile for targeting multiple muscle groups. Cons: may not provide as intense workouts as traditional exercises. Number 4. CAP Barbell A Flat Trainer. CAP Barbell A Flat Trainer is a simple yet effective tool for strengthening your core muscles. Its compact size makes it suitable for small spaces, and its straightforward design allows for easy use. Pros: compact and space-saving design, easy to use, affordable price point. Cons: limited versatility compared to other options, may not offer as many exercise variations. Number 5. Total Gym Apex Versatile Indoor Home Gym Workout. Total Gym Apex Versatile Indoor Home Gym Workout is an all-in-one solution for total body strength training. With its adjustable resistance levels and versatile design, it offers a wide range of exercises. Pros: comprehensive total body workout, adjustable resistance levels, versatile design for various exercises. Cons: higher price point, may require more space compared to smaller gadgets. Number 6. KINSFUN Golf Cart Die Cast Metal Model Pullback Action Toy. Adds a fun element to your home gym setup. While not a traditional workout gadget, it can provide entertainment and relaxation between workout sessions. However, it may not contribute directly to your fitness goals. Pros: fun and entertaining, provides relaxation and stress relief. Cons: not a traditional workout gadget, does not directly contribute to fitness goals. Number 7. Signature Fitness Home Gym Parts. Offers replacement parts for your home gym equipment. This can be useful for maintaining and repairing your workout gadgets, ensuring they remain in optimal condition for longer. However, it may not be necessary for all users, especially those with newer equipment. Pros: helps maintain and repair home gym equipment, extends the lifespan of workout gadgets. Cons: may not be necessary for users with newer equipment, Limited use for those not in need of replacement parts. Number 8. Supinuli Jointpedal Abs Stimulator Workout Equipment. Provides a convenient way to stimulate your abdominal muscles. With its USB rechargeable gear, you can target your abs, arms, and legs with ease. However, some users may prefer traditional exercises for greater intensity and effectiveness. Pros. Convenient USB rechargeable design. Targets multiple muscle groups. Cons. May not provide as intense workouts as traditional exercises. Limited effectiveness for some users. Number 9. Fitness Reality Squat Rack Power Cage. With its optional attachments, such as the lat pull-down and leg hold-down, it offers versatile workout possibilities. However, it may require more space compared to smaller workout gadgets. Pros. Sturdy and reliable construction. Versatile workout options with optional attachments. Cons. Requires more space compared to smaller workout gadgets. Higher price point compared to some options. Number 10. Fitleya Fitness Ab Machine. Foldable for easy storage, it offers a convenient solution for core strengthening exercises at home. However, some users may find it less effective for advanced workouts. Pros. Height adjustable design for customized workouts. Foldable for easy storage. Convenient solution for core strengthening exercises. Cons. May not be as effective for advanced workouts. Limited versatility compared to larger gym equipment. Stay tuned as we explore each of these top 10 workout gadgets in more detail, helping you make an informed decision for your home gym setup.